What's up, everybody? I'm Joshua Stover, aka Stovetop, and this is Stovetop 19. Today it's here. We're doing the ride video on the Mart cart, aka Drif-Tee. If you guys haven't been following along, I've already released the build video of this, kind of showing you what I did to get it all together. It's a little bit slapped together, I'll be the first to admit, but it does ride, it does work. I've already taken it through a parade, a 4-mile parade actually, and had an absolute blast with it. The crowd loved it, kids loved it. Actually made it through with minimal problems too, which I'm quite proud of. Today we're going to show you guys how it runs, how it drives. Even going to slap both drift sleeves on here and attempt to do a little bit of drifting today. Haven't tried that before, so we're going to see how that goes. If you guys like this kind of stuff, you want to see more builds from me and my channel, I need you guys to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for me right now. I finance all this on my own. I actually started a t-shirt business, which you guys can see at Stover Customs on Instagram and Facebook. But with the release of this video, I'm actually releasing a line of t-shirts. It's these lime green cotton t-shirts. They're high quality cotton. They're lightweight, super comfortable, very soft. And on the back, I'll throw up an overlay right here. I actually hand drew and illustrated a cartoon version of the Mart cart with the name Drif-Tee across the top. And that's all gonna be printed on the back of these shirts. So if you guys like this stuff, make sure you support this channel. Like I said, hit subscribe for me. Go over to stovercustoms.com and buy some t-shirts. I've got some other mini bike t-shirts and other designs always coming up as I go here. So I'm done talking, you guys. Let's get this going. Sleeves on. Hold on, I got something else. There we go, now she's complete. Well, there we have it, guys. Again, I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Help this channel grow. Head over to stovercustoms.com. Go buy a t-shirt, buy some of our merch. It's all handmade by me here in my basement. Again, that's the reason I started Stover Customs, the business. I appreciate you guys following along. Drop me a comment down below if you guys like to see a little bit more of these Mart carts. I've actually acquired another one, thinking about doing another build, and I've got other mods that I want to do to this one to keep these projects going. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you drop me a comment, hit that like button, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. We'll see you guys in the next video.